Chapter 4. Air around us. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, though we can feel it. Air occupies space and has weight. Air also exerts pressure. A thick layer of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, as well as water vapor and dust particles. Nitrogen gas is 78% in atmosphere. Importance of air. We all need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. Animals also need air to breathe. Plants need air to make their food. If there were no air, there would be no life on the earth. Air pollution. We should breathe clean air. If we breathe in dirty air, it can create health problems for us. Other living things also need clean air. We use the term air pollution to describe the condition of air when it gets mixed with unwanted gases, dust, etc., and becomes dirty and polluted. What makes air dirty and polluted? Cars, buses, and trucks give out smoke that mixes with the air and makes it polluted. Some harmful gases released by large factories also mix with the air and make it dirty. Bursting of firecrackers, burning of wood, and dumping of garbage in the open also makes the air dirty and unhygienic. How to keep the air clean? Breathing in polluted air can make us sick. Therefore, it is important to keep the air clean. We should do the following things to keep the air clean. Plants and trees make air pure and fresh. So, we should plant more trees. The oxygen that we breathe in comes from plants and trees. Their green leaves produce oxygen while making their food. If we cut down trees, there would not be enough oxygen for us to breathe. We should keep a check on the smoke that is released from vehicles and factories. This can be done by using chimneys in the factories, CNG gas in vehicles, etc. We must avoid burning twigs, dry leaves, and man-made materials. We should not throw garbage on the road. Instead, we should throw it in covered dustbins. We must cover our mouth and nose with a handkerchief while coughing and sneezing so that germs do not spread into the air. We should avoid lighting firecrackers. They cause noise pollution besides polluting the air. Chapter 3. Globes and Maps. The Earth is very huge in size. It is so huge that we can see only a very small part of it from one point. We have globes and maps to see the different parts of the earth at one time. Globes and maps. A globe is the exact model of the earth. We can rotate it to see different places. However, a globe is not big enough to show all the places in detail. To overcome this problem, we have drawings of a part of the earth or the whole of it on a flat surface. Such drawings are called maps. A map can be big or small. We can hang a big map on a wall. We call it a wall map. An atlas is a book of maps. Atlases are now available in multimedia format also. There are two types of maps. Physical map. It shows mountains, rivers, and plains. Political map. It shows the states and cities of a country. It also shows the boundaries of different neighboring countries. Directions on a map. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east, and west. If you stand facing a map, the top part of the map is north, the bottom is south, to your right is east, and to your left is west. Directions are also marked on the map. They help us in locating places on the map. An instrument called compass helps us find the directions. It has a needle which always points to the north. When we know where north lies, we can find out the other three directions. Oceans and continents. In the given map, you will find that some areas in the map are shaded blue while others are shaded brown. The blue areas show water bodies or oceans and the brown areas show land masses or continents.